Lisa Connors. I'm a senior project manager for ACO Engineered Systems. I've been with ACO almost 13 years. So we're located downtown Seattle at the Westin Building Exchange. This building is actually pretty unique. It is a 34-story high-rise that was originally an office that has been converted into a data center. So we're currently on the rooftop of the building where we're replacing the original cooling towers to support the data center for the building. The design originally was going to be a helicopter pick in Seattle. Helicopter's been outlawed since 2014, so that's no longer an option. We have partnered with Industry Erectors. They are supplying all the steel fabrication, they're doing the install of the steel, and they're also doing all the rigging for us. Partnering with Industry Erectors, we brought a very unique solution that our competitors just didn't have. Some of the challenges we had with this project is we were working above the parapet, and so knowing who's on the roof, when we're on the roof, we had safety precautions set up. So it was a big coordinated effort between us and the building to make sure that everybody was safe.
Before every pick, we walk the site, we get MOP sign off with the building, safety meeting before every pick, make sure the alleyways close down.
The factors that contributed most to the success of this project was the cohesion of both the building, the owners, and the construction team itself. ACO and subs and the owner, all our communication together was met forth with a weekly meeting and voiced any concerns if they did have any, and together as a team we would figure it out.
The weather on this project was actually pretty instrumental in changing how we did stuff, and so we had planned to do picks during the week and we had everything scheduled. Then the next day the weather changed and within 24 hours we had to switch our whole entire plan. The benefit with partnering with ACO on a project like this is we have such a large pool of engineers, project managers, senior project managers in our field that have been with us 20, 30 years. You know, all of those resources combined just makes ACO just more successful.